to the toy barn out here in Cave Creek, Arizona. This is one of those facilities that people store their cars out here. And we're gonna see what they working with, man, on this Saturday morning. Oh, the great seats. Got a Dino right here, looking sweet. These were sleepers when they first came out, and now they're up on the collector list, man, going for big dollars. Could you imagine them getting one of these before they jumped up in prices? Oh, they got a nice little collection in there. The STO, got a Countach back there. Got a supercharged Super Performance Cobra. Oh, that thing is clean. Yeah, this is a nice little collection up in here. The new, it's got a SL 63. Pretty sick, pretty sick. What would you guys take if you could pick one of these in here? So it's so hot out here, man, and places like this thrive because people can park their cars indoors and they don't have to have them exposed to the elements. It's a nice little selection out here. 65 or 66 Corvette, 96 Corvette. Got a Boxster. Nice little assortment of whips out here. Arizona, the thing is, people have cool cars, but they don't really bring them out until the weather cools off. Cool little Porsche 356. Sunroof. Nice little spec on it. Get a peek in the inside. Old school. Clean. Yeah, this is worth some bread right here. This is... Man, these are going for 300 something, some of them, man, depending. Looks like it's the real deal too. Oh man, this is for all you Porsche guys. It's got a nice Porsche collection over here. This is some bread. Man, you got an old 356, got another 356 hardtop. Got a Carrera RS, an old Targa over here. Man, beautiful collection. Some very nice Porsches in here. Another Speedster. Beautiful car. Yeah, this is some serious Porsche candy right here for you guys. Man, which one would you take if you could pick one? I've never seen this many Speedsters together at one place unless it was in Monterey at an actual Porsche event.
Already too hot.
A nice Mustang 350. Fastback 66. Beautiful car. Never get tired of looking at these either.
You gotta set up right.
My bag is actually a 65 and 66. Look pretty similar. I can't really distinguish what little details separate them. Check this out. I think this is a roadster shop build. 750 horse, to let you know right on the valve covers that this is no joke. I've seen this car one time before. This is a badass car. Beautiful, and it's a 5-speed. Look at the detail in this. Big car too. This isn't something you would normally see Pro toured out. Now this Corvette right here is sweet. I want you guys to take a look at this engine compartment. All modernized so you can daily drive this thing. It's got all the bells and whistles here. And I'm quite sure it's sitting on an aftermarket chassis by the looks of it. It's probably another roadster shop build. Give you guys a peek in the inside. It's clean, man.
Shower, all that.
Beautiful car. It is a roadster shop build. Have the badge right here. They build some of the best hot rods out there. And check this out. This old Bugatti. That's pretty cool. Now I'm not sure what kind of car this is. It looks like like maybe an MR2, a Japanese version. You guys, yep, MR2. Sure is. Look at that little motor back there. Is that like a 4-cylinder? Yeah, it is a 4-cylinder. You got custom interior in here, pretty tight fit. This is badass right here. Beautiful car.
59 and 60 have the same dash, I guess.
Is it a 59?
Well, this is a 60, but
oh, it's clean.
Kind of put that dash together on a 59.
But it looked like he shaved the door handles and everything off of there, huh?
Yeah, it's modified for sure. Nice.
That is. Beautiful car. That thing is sweet. Sitting on air ride. Yeah. Oh man, it's clean. Beautiful. So this is nice because it's shaded back here. Like I said, you can set your garage up however you want to set it up, like a little lounge area, and every now and then they throw car shows back here, but it's kind of a cool little setup. How's it going? Nice variety of cool cars, lots of Porsches. This is cool. I'm not sure what this is, but this is like an old school race car. Almost looks like it could be maybe like an old school Jag similar body, but it's not. It's got historical plates on it, so it's definitely something old school.
Not that it matters. So. And maybe.
Handful of people got their garages open for people to see their cars, and a lot of them are closed, but still a nice little turnout. Now this is an Autocraft AC Cobra, and I believe these are produced out of England. This one's pretty clean. Looks more modernized as far as with the interior. Got an actual stereo, and it looked like it has AC now, but I don't see an AC. Body style's a little bit sleeker than the other Cobras. This guy's got a nice garage right here. Beautiful cars in here. Clean setup. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch. Muscle up! Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's blow this thing up and go pick you up some merch at muscleupdetailspray.com. Big Herc 916.